Countries usually look at their GDP to make a case for their economic growth, but impressive statistics do not necessarily show the true picture of economies. Different surveys and reports have already highlighted the deep divisions that exist across the world. The recently released World Inequality Report 2022 has once again drawn the attention of policymakers to widespread inequalities, inequality, gender inequality, carbon inequality, and wealth inequality. The report shows that 50% of the world's population controls only 2.0% of its wealth, while the top 10% controls 76%. The same situation is true of income, with 50% taking in 8.5% of income and 10% taking in 2.0%. As far as gender goes, women make up 35% of the global labor force, while men make up 55%, and in terms of carbon emissions, 48% is produced by the 10% wealthiest persons on the planet. The report suggests that colonialism contributed to the beginning of this inequality, with greater social spending between 1910 and 1980. The levels of inequality came down as the world introduced progressive taxation and other measures aimed at reducing inequality, but it seems that all the progress has been reversed. The report also says that in 2020, the year of the COVID 19 pandemic, the world reverted to where it stood in 1910. This, it points out, is largely as a result of policies enforced by neoliberal organizations such as the IMF and the World Bank, which force their own policies on poorer nations. The Pakistan case shows how financial institutions put pressure on developing countries.